Buenas tardes. Monsoons in Colombia. This is the rainy season, the month of November and December. And last 10 days, you can hear the thunder. There's a lot of lightning. And many parts of Colombia resemble Bangladesh and India in monsoon, severe flooding, and lots of property damage, and some people have been killed, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm glad I went swimming this morning and came home. And I'm watching the spacewalk from space station. Ooh, lightning. Yeah, not lightning as good as in Indonesia, but not as such a good show. But we are on an altitude, as we know. So hasta luego.